Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to master retro style photos using Google Gemini AI in 2026. Now, retro visuals are very different from the vintage photos. Retro focuses on the bold colors, the neon lights, 80s and 90s aesthetics, VHS textures, arcade vibes, and pop culture inspired looks. So these styles are trending heavily right now in Instagram posts, thumbnails, album art, and creative branding. So in this complete walkthrough, I will show you how to create the authentic retro style images using Gemini AI, how to control the colors and the moods, and how to use the right prompts so that your images look intentional and not random AI art. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our step one, you need to simply open Google Gemini in your desktop or on your PC or in your mobile device. When you are here, make sure that you create your account with the help of your Google account if you haven't already. Now here, this is the section where you can start typing your prompt. But before generating anything here, you need to understand this thing clearly that Gemini doesn't guess your style, you must direct it. The retro visuals rely heavily on the era, the color palette, and the design language. So Gemini supports both text to image and image to image modes. But for retro styles, starting with the text to image is going to give you more creative control. So once you are here, we will first of all move to the most important step, which is defining the retro era. So as I've told you earlier, retro is not one single look. You must choose a specific time period or the cultural style. For example, if I give you some of the popular retro styles in 2026, you can see we have 1980s neon cyberpunk style. Then you can also choose 1990s arcade and VHS aesthetics. We can have the retro anime poster style, the old video game loading screen look. Then we also have the synthware and outrun visuals. So this particular decision controls the typography, the lighting, the contrast, and the color saturation. If you skip this step, your image will look confused instead of retro. Now that you have decided the style of the retro, now is the time for you to create that retro style image using the structured prompt. For that, you need to come here, then click on the option of create image first of all. After that, you need to start giving it the prompt. The prompt can look something like this. Create a 1980s retro style illustration of a city street at night, neon signs glowing, purple and pink color palette, the synthware atmosphere, soft glow effects, cinematic lighting, futuristic but retro aesthetic, high contrast, styled realism. After giving this prompt, simply hit enter. Now, after giving this prompt, Gemini is going to generate the image for you, which is going to look something like this. As you can see, this particular image has bold colors, strong lighting, stylized elements, and the clear retro mood. If the image feels modern and muted, that means the prompt need stronger era cues. Now, if you already have an image like a portrait or a product photo or the background, you can also transform it into a retro look. For that, simply click on this plus icon here. Afterwards, click on the option of upload files. From your device, you just have to select that particular image which you want to turn into the retro style. After selecting the image, simply just give it the transformation prompt. Your transformation prompt can look something like this. Transform this image into a 1990s retro aesthetic with VHS texture, color bead, then we have slight noise, bold contrast, retro lighting, and nostalgic arcade style color tones while keeping the main subject recognizable. So once you hit enter, it is going to basically generate the response for you. This particular method of generation works for the profile picture, for the album covers, for YouTube thumbnails, and retro themed posts. Just make sure that the original image is clear because Gemini is going to enhance the style and not the image quality. Now, Retro visuals depends heavily on the color control. So if your output looks flat, refine your prompt with specific style modifiers. You can use some of the phrases like neon pink and cyan highlights, analog noise and grain, VHS scan lines, glow bloom effect, and retro poster style. For example, you can add this particular refinement prompt: increase the neon glow, add subtle VHS noise, enhance color saturation, and apply an 80s retro poster aesthetic. So once you hit enter, avoid the words like clean, minimal, or modern because they cancel the retro effect. So once you have your image ready, once you are happy with it, simply just click on it, then click on the option of download on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once your image is downloaded successfully in the high resolution in your device, you can use strategically in your thumbnails, Instagram, posters, or for your branding. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.